See how it curves in right there? Alright, so it should be straight all the way up. That way you got a good point. What's happening is that's going down in there, and the tip is hitting on the dirt, and it's only catching down here, so it's wearing the edge off of it right there. Alright, and each one of those X's right there is where studs are going to come up to support our roof line. And it'll support that beam right there that we set on top. So now what we got to do is we got to take another 2x4, cut it, match this length, and transfer these marks over to that so we have a bottom and a top. Our next stud's got to be cut at 79.5 inches. So this tape measure's got the half marks on it. But if the tape measure doesn't have the half marks on it, this is a quarter, half, 3/4, and a full inch. And each one of these is a 1/16. So that's when you got to learn your math to know that if I told you to cut something 79 3/16, where would you cut it at on here?
Right there.
Perfect. That's it. That's 3/16.
What?
So if you're going to put drywall screws in, use a Phillips bit, push your drywall up flush, you're going to put it in. Now a lot of people will leave it just like that, feel it. Feel how the screw's sticking up? Alright, we got to sink it below the sheetrock level, and that's too much. So we buried it. It's too deep, it won't hold. So that's why, instead of using a regular Phillips bit, you use one of these. This has got a little sleeve on the back of it, where when you put the screw on there, and you put it up here to put it in, it pre-sinks the bit, so you can come back and wipe a little sheetrock mud over that and sand it smooth. If you put it too deep, it won't hold the sheetrock. If you don't put it deep enough, there's not enough recess there to put sheetrock mud in to cover it up and hide it. So now we have to get some mud or sheetrock plaster, whatever you want to call it. We'll smooth it out and get the air out of it here. Make sure there's no lumps in it. See how it got real loose?
Yep.
It's not thick and stiff anymore. That's what we want. Because we want the flow. Get some. Put it over our screw holes. Just like that.